Ka kinhon na National Disaster Response Force lani ka NDRF kabala Hiar Riat Arliang hajan kakshan way saudong haka sautrik ujelleo arajar arpusan banwa ya ka sonam raghuvanshi kala pentip bahado arspa phut ka jingjelleo sapo katika Riat kimpat labdak ruem kila pentip bakam don ka Jingsma puut Metïap haka ka jingjelleo kani ka jingwat biang ye ka sonam haka ka Jaka ka de hadin bala sei shwa ye ka Metïap jong lok jongka uraja raghuvanshi man haka no phai sngi ka artarik ujelleo arajar arpusan ka jing Hiar ka kinhon na ka NDRF haka ka Jaka ka de hadin ka jingwan wat kibor pulit ka kinhon SDRF SRT SOT but FES lembar ka kinhon Kiba wanyarap na ka than maukuma kini ki shijor kumban syukudo bakila jar ngai na do ka arpulai tarik ujemang arajar arpusan hapadeng ka jingwan kai honeymoon jongki syaka thain sora bad ya ka Metïap ushenrang layo ban sei katba ya ka kurim jong upat empat lap ksai setia
Delta 1
अगर होगा तो और एक दो आदमी
Delta 1
Delta 1 carry on sir
कुछ मेल आ रहा है क्या
नवंबर अस्पताल
विजिबिलिटी
एरिया के हिसाब से तो नो पॉसिबिलिटी है सर कंट्रोल
हॉल्ट बताता हूँ ग्राउंड कितना है और
नॉट श्योर सर हाई ज्यादा है
नहीं पूछा कुछ स्मेल स्मेल
स्मेल भी नहीं है सर
ओके बैक
ओके सर रॉजर
Yes, the terrain doesn't support us much. The terrain is full of dense forest characterized by wet soil as well as stone are slippery. And apart from this, this deep gorge is really challenging. We go up to around 200 feet, still we cannot reach up to the ground. Because of the zero visibility, we cannot reach down to the ground. So the NDRF are trained to work under any circumstances as well as under any terrain. We do conduct very much operation in different parts of India under certain circumstances and terrain, but the terrain here is very little different from other parts of India. And this deep gorge is really hard to rappelling also, because there is no visibility at all due to these heavy clouds and the soils. We cannot stand even 1 or 2 minutes in the stone because of the slippery. It is really, although we are very much trained, but it is really challenging for us to carry more operation under these circumstances. Yes, actually we are not very much familiar with the terrain, but looking at the ground, I took a decision to rappel to send the trained person in this deep gorge. Although we have searched a lots of areas here, but the place which we are rappelling today is still not searched by any other agencies. Looking at the deep gorge, I thought it should be possible to send the trained NDRF personnel where drone and other untrained human cannot reach. So I took this challenge and sent the trained NDRF personnel, but unluckily, due to low visibility, we cannot reach up to the ground. Yeah, I have reached up to 200 meters approximately, and still I cannot measure how much far is still to the ground.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ni ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.